NetApp storage is a powerful tool for businesses of all sizes. It allows you to store and manage your data efficiently and securely. NetApp offers both network-attached storage, or NAS, and storage area network, or SAN solutions. NAS is great for file sharing, while SAN is better for block storage, often used for databases. Now, before you can use your NetApp storage, you need to set up a NetApp cluster. A cluster is a group of NetApp storage systems that work together. This provides high availability and performance. Setting up your cluster correctly is important. It ensures that your storage is reliable and easy to manage. Once your cluster is up and running, you can start provisioning storage. This means creating and configuring storage volumes. You can then connect these volumes to your servers and applications. We will walk through the steps to provision both NAS and SAN storage on your NetApp cluster. Before you can provision storage, you need to prepare your NetApp cluster. This includes installing the NetApp ONTAP software. ONTAP is the operating system that runs on NetApp storage systems. You will also need to configure the network settings for your cluster. This allows it to communicate with your servers and other devices. Another important step is to create an aggregate. An aggregate is a group of disks. These disks will be used to store your data. You can create aggregates from different types of disks, depending on your performance and capacity needs. Finally, create a storage virtual machine, or SVM. Think of an SVM as a virtual storage controller. It has its own unique IP address and storage resources. You will use SVMs to provision both NAS and SAN storage. Network-attached storage, or NAS, is a great way to share files over a network. NetApp makes it easy to set up NAS storage on your cluster. You can use either the NFS or CFS SMB protocols. NFS is commonly used with Linux and Unix systems, while CFS/SMB is more common with Windows systems. To provision NAS storage, you first need to enable the appropriate protocol on your SVM. Then you can create a volume and share it out. A volume is a logical unit of storage. A share makes that volume accessible to clients on the network. When creating a share, you can set permissions. Permissions determine who can access the share and what they can do. Storage area networks, or ESANs, provide block-level storage. This is often used for databases and other applications that require high performance. NetApp supports both ISKSI and Fibre Channel protocols for SAN storage. Provisioning SAN storage is similar to provisioning NAS. You need to enable the appropriate protocol on your SVM. For ISCSI, you will create LUNs, or logical unit numbers. For Fibre Channel, you will zone the storage to your servers. LUNs and zoning both control which servers can access which storage resources. Once your SAN storage is provisioned, you can connect your servers. They can then access the storage as if it were local disks.